this lesson, we're going to look at some Swift variables. The way Swift declares a variable is with a keyword var, followed by the name of the variable, and finally the assignable data type. Let's have a look. When I type in var, Swift recognizes that I'm trying to use the keyword var and gives me some suggestion. So when I press enter, it will ask for the name of the variable. In this case, I would choose a, and I'll give it the value of 0. So a holds the value of 0, and 0 is an integer. But don't worry about that right now. We'll look at that in later lessons. Just know that a holds the value of 0. And if I were to declare another variable, a, b, and assign it the value of 1, I can do some mathematical expression. So a plus b should equal to 1, since 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Since these are variables, they're able to change. So if I were to change the value of a to 2, and then do the same mathematical expression, a plus b, I will get a different answer since I changed the value of a. So now it should be 3 instead of 1. And that's all there is to variables. In the next lesson, we'll talk about constants.